Good morning, guys, and welcome to another vlog. Today is Wednesday, June 23rd, I think. Anyway, today is Wednesday, and I'm teaching about 9 classes today, so I wanted to show you guys exactly what a full day in my life, a working day in my life is like. So I'm going to film all of my day. I already woke up and went to the gym this morning, and now I'm just about to teach my classes in the morning. I have about 5 classes. I have 3 with Magic Ears and then 2 with VIPKID, and then I'm going to take you around for the day. It's a beautiful summer day. It's so sunny. If you guys can see, I'll show you. So I'm excited, so let's get started. I wanted to actually show you my schedule for today. Today is Wednesday the 24th. I just taught my first class right now, 8 a.m. I have 2 more, and then I have VIPKID after from 10 a.m. 2 more classes. So I have a break at 9:30, which I will make breakfast. So let's start. Okay, so I just finished my first 3 classes. I have a 30-minute break. So I'm gonna make a smoothie, and I wanna show you guys how I make just a simple smoothie. I just have coconut water. I always have coconut water in the fridge. Basically, we have coconuts all the time here. So I have a mango and then some frozen bananas. So as I'm making the smoothie, let me go check on Ralph. Hey.
Hey.
So this is actually where he teaches.
Wait a minute, you didn't have class?
Yeah.
I heard you making a smoothie.
I just started the smoothie.
Okay.
We have the break now.
Alright, let's go. This is where I play my... This is my proudest moment in class.
Yeah, his students love it. So anyway, let's go finish this smoothie. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my last set of 2 classes for the morning, and then we'll start the day. So let's go. Where are you? Ah! Oh no! Huh?
I'm gonna eat you.
You're going to eat me?
Yes.
No! Don't eat, teacher! No! So it's now 11 a.m. I'm done teaching, so I'm just going to go to a coffee shop now and get some work done, and I'm also gonna have some breakfast. So let's go. It's 1:16 right now, and I'm basically done doing some extra work that I was doing for today, and I'm just about to head home, but I'm thinking maybe I can go to the pool today. I used to go with my friend, and we used to go swim together, and it's been a while. I'm sorry, it's kind of weird because I'm outside. I'm gonna show you Mian Sports Center. It's really nice, and one thing that I like to do is if I go swimming, I come home, take a shower, and I'm more ready for my next classes. So I'll do that. And I also wanted to thank some of you guys in the comments that have been asking for more vlogs. I hope you guys enjoy this. And please, if you have any question, make sure you comment in the comment box and let me know what type of videos you want to see, and I'll make more like this.
To the edge of it all. So tell your good night, 'cause I'll find a better one. Yeah.
So I just arrived at the Mian Sports Center. It actually has a soccer field, a very small one, and then there's the pool right here. I used to go to the pool almost like twice a week. I used to meet a friend here, but I think he's back in Spain. But we used to do laps together and he would help me because I know how to swim, but every time that I get to the deep side I get very uncomfortable. So this is something to kind of get over my fear of the deep side. So I want to get back to that again, especially now, and it's very hot today. So I'm gonna go jump in and enjoy the pool for maybe like 30 minutes. So I have my goggles, my mat, my hair protector, and I'm ready. This sports center actually has a gym, but I'm just going to use the pool today, so let's go. Hey guys, I'm back home now. I took a shower. I'm just about to order some lunch right now. Then I think I'm just going to relax and watch some Netflix. So if you guys wonder how I watch TV, I have the Google Chromecast. Connect that, or sometimes I also use my HDMI cord here. So I have an HDMI cord. I can just connect my computer to the TV. Yeah, I hide it under this. So food is here. I just got pad thai. It's vegan pad thai. This is so good. This is also from Loving Vegan, one of my favorite restaurants. So let's eat. So it's now 4:56. My class starts at 5. I just set up my classroom right now, and I didn't want to change, so I just put a sweater over. Now when you're teaching, you're not supposed to have any logos, so I'm gonna make sure that I stay like around this level where they can't see the logo that says Old Navy, but I don't really feel like changing all the time. So yeah, I just entered my class and I'm just waiting. I don't know if I told you guys how important it is to have this little tool right here. If you guys want to know more about my setup, I have a video about how to set up your classroom, so I'll link that one in this video. But yeah, I'm gonna start teaching now for just 2 hours and then I'm done. And I won't work tomorrow and Friday, so yep, let's get started. It is a no-show apparently. So this is what I do sometimes to just, if the student pops up, they see something, my monkey in the camera. But if this is a no-show, then I'm just getting paid to chill. So I'm just gonna watch more Avatar. EJEOAF. Woo.
Yeah.
But is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 correct? Did I say it right?
Yes.
Yay! High five for teacher. Woo! Okay guys, so it's officially 6:55, so 7, and I am done for today. So I basically taught 9 classes today. I taught 5 in the morning plus another 4 that I just did right now. So I know sometimes my schedule is very it's very different every week. Sometimes I work 6 classes a day. Sometimes I do 9, 12 classes a day. So it really depends on the day. And I did do a video showing you guys specifically my schedule, but I wanted to show you exactly like a vlog of my schedule like, oh, a day in my life. Yeah, I'm basically done with work, and I'm thinking I might go out tonight since I don't work tomorrow. So I'm thinking I might go dancing. I want to show you guys Kohi Bar. Kohi Bar is a place where here in Da Nang we can go and dance salsa, bachata, kizomba. They have that every Wednesday. I'll see if I can put the link to the Facebook group down in the description box for you guys. But every Friday they have dance classes, and Wednesday is just like actually dancing at Kohi Bar. So you can kind of get a drink there, meet some people, hang out. So yeah, I think it's at 9 though. So I'm just gonna chill for a little bit and then I'll get ready and meet you guys there. I'm back home now. It's probably like 11 p.m. now. I'm all sweaty, but I had so much fun dancing. If you guys like to dance, you know that feeling when you go out and you know you hear that music and you start dancing again. It's so much fun. I met a lot of people here from all over the world. There's some new people I met from Africa. Another girl that had curly hair like me, so it's always cool when we see people that look like each other. I met another girl who is in martial arts, so we're probably gonna meet each other again when I go, maybe on Fridays, or if I go to the dance classes. There was this other guy that I was dancing with. You guys probably saw me dancing with this guy, and he is so good, and he told me he's been taking kizomba classes for 2 weeks consistently, and he's that good. I'm so impressed because I'm not good at following. That's one of my problems. One of the guys I was dancing with, I'm just trying to lean on him because I learned to dance salsa when I was in high school, but I'm a leader when I dance, so I'm not good at following, which is something I need to work on. So anyway, I got very excited to show you guys this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this about my life in Da Nang, Vietnam, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.